Yes, I did it again, and this time in winter. This is Nannuoshan, I'm Gabriele, and I'm welcoming you in the world's largest metropolitan area. Within just 2 hours drive from here live about 50 to 60 million people. That's like the population of the whole Italy or whole France. And with 50 million people living around here, there must be also some good tea. But it's pretty early in the morning, so we just started with some breakfast, dumplings and spicy beef noodles. Food was good, isn't it?
Yes.
Enjoyed, and now our belly are full and ready for some tea. We are in Guangzhou only for a day, so let's see what we can do out of it. And yes, let's take some soya milk. No luck with the soya milk, but I was saying we are here just for a day, but we were also here for even less time, just a few weeks ago. We visited the Fangcun tea market, the largest tea market in China, had some tea with a friend, and also visited some tea workshops. And now we are back for a day of discoveries. Hello, nice to meet you. Hi. Caroline. She's Caroline.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Easy to find, actually. So every time I meet you in a different place.
对 yes. Free place 啊。
Three places, yeah, three places.
Sit down, please.
Thank you. We just had the Yang Jiao Cha, which means goat horn tea. It's a tea that Aming produces not far from here, outside of the city, in an ecological tea garden. The tea we are having here is a Hakka green tea, so a green tea from the Hakka minority. It is produced also not far from here, but from a different tea garden. What the two teas have in common is that they are both Daejong. The first green tea is actually seeds that have been brought all the way from Yunnan to here. And the Hakka green tea is good for storage. It is a green tea, but this one is about 3 to 4 years old, from 2022 or 2023, and it has been stored just outside of the fridge. Are we drinking green tea or are we drinking pu'er? Aming, are we drinking green tea or are we drinking pu'er?
Green tea and pu'er.
Green tea and pu'er. Like, if I would taste this tea blind, I'm not sure I would say green tea.
No, it would be poor, definitely.
Yeah? Maybe Aming is just fooling us.
Yeah.
Lychee black tea.
Yeah. Yes.
So it's a black tea with lychee
and let
fruits.
juice.
Oh.
And together to dry.
Oh, okay, let's try.
Is it possible to smell the leaves?
Okay, one?
Yeah, no, yeah.
I mean, it's not too strong.
Just a
It's
bit, yeah,
just a little
smell,
bit, yeah. So it's nothing compared with the jasmine green tea or something like that. Actually, like by the smell, you wouldn't even think it is flavored.
Lychee-dried tea.
So you mix the leaves with the juice
Yes.
of the
yes.
lychee, and then you
then-
dry them.
And
Yeah, it's very subtle,
Very
delicate.
light.
Yeah. First brew very light. What do you have there?
yellow tea.
Huan cha,
Huan
yellow
cha,
tea.
the yellow tea. Yeah.
Jiangjun cha, Chinese yellow tea.
Yellow
From
tea. From
Guangzhou.
Guangzhou, Canton.
Oh wow, that's the
From
first time
Canton.
for me.
This tea is from the summer, and,
Yeah.
and the tea is from the spring. We drink the spring tea.
Very good. Just the best for us.
It's bigger. It's bigger.
So here you see the yellow tea from spring, and the one from summer is here. So you see that the leaves from the summer are just larger, and is giving us the spring one. We are at the second brew of the yellow tea, and as you can see, it's pretty yellow. This second brew is a bit stronger than the previous one. The tea is not as bitter as the green tea, but since he put some strength into this, there is also some bitterness coming through. And somewhat a lingering sweetness that Amin connected with corn. He was saying it is a corn sweetness. I can relate to that. But definitely brewed too strong. Amin, you brew too strong. Very strong. Non xiang. 谢谢. Hamin just brewed the summer harvest. The leaves are darker, and I wonder if also the taste is somewhat fuller. I think I like the smell of this one better. Also the taste, actually. Still light, still the first brew. Let's see how it is the second. Hopefully not too strong.
Coffee in China from Ethiopia, prepared the Chinese way. Like a tea bag.
Yes, yes.
Interesting.
It's a coffee bag.
It's a coffee bag.
Oh.
That's
Yeah,
clever.
smell-
That's
you smell
great.
it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, you can smell it.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look
Wow.
at this.
You don't
this
need
is really-
filters anymore.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
come.
Perfect for Gongdabe. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yes. Yeah.
就直接放呢度啦嘛。 Chinese coffee.
Tastes good.
Really?
Yeah. Does.
The way it is brewed is light, but it's quite tasty. It's not very acid and fruity, I would say. We have a special guest here.
Hello.
Mr. Sky. Welcome. We've been drinking not only tea, we've been drinking also coffee.
Okay, I smell that.
This is a baicha, a white tea with orange peel. It comes in little bricks, and the taste is soft. The orange peel is actually covering a little bit the white tea taste, but overall is a soft taste, a bit softer than our version that we have in the Nannuoshan shop, where we put the black tea in mandarin and you break the mandarin to put in it here. Here, actually, in the bricks, you see the leaves and also the pieces of orange peel. We are going to the factory of Aming. It's just upstairs. Oh, okay. So we have to go over these.
Up, come, take a big come in.
So this is not for roasting the leaves,
呢
right?
個係咪烘焙嘅柴？
So that's actually to taste how much moisture there is in the leaves left, so that it is low at a certain threshold and you can sell the tea and also keep it for conservation and for aging. So this is just the floor entrance, and behind this wall they have a clean room. So we have even to put some special clothes on to access, because they do here all the packaging. When the tea is packed, then they pass it over through a window here to put it then in boxes and for shipment.
It's the room for the tea material, the raw mao-cha, and this is for coffee.
Green
They have two different coffees.
Green
They
beans.
put the green beans
Green beans,
in here.
yeah.
Oh, here they are. Some.
Green beans. Green beans.
Yes. And then they roast them. It's a different type of coffee
It's
beans.
from the Yunnan province.
Yunnan cha. Yunnan bushi cha. Cafe.
呢個咧
The reason why this room is so empty is because now it's winter and there is no tea production, so there is no mao cha to process. Everything is just empty, waiting for the spring season.
wear the clothes.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like my other job actually, where we have to wear all these clothes when we enter clean rooms. Here we are. So they put a lot of effort here to keep everything clean. I can definitely tell. You have the ovens here, the kill the green machine, even a tumbler for oolong, and down there the mates for the withering and the drying. Oh, this is for the rolling. Okay, so for the shaping here and the rolling machine of different size. Here you do micro batches, and here you do a little bit larger ones for the black tea. It would be really nice to be here in spring and see everything in action, but it's also kind of cute to see everything still and clean, and just imagine how it would be in the harvest season. And after the rolling in this room, the leaves go in the next room here for the oxidation. They have an oxidation machine here where they can control the temperature, the humidity, and have the right condition for several hours of oxidation for the black tea. And last but not least, a pressing machine for the cakes. For white tea,
Different size. White teas in a small square cake, and also chopping the bean.
okay.
357 grams.
And this is the machine for coffee, for roasting the beans. For once in English and not in Chinese. Tea daily. It sounds almost like Italian. Let's go for lunch. Really full. This was the first half of the day in Guangzhou. Let's see what the afternoons have for us. In the meantime, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.